This exercise is done with a wobble board. So with the wobble board, there's several types on the market. You can get something that looks like this. There's two balls here on a stable surface, and then that wobbles back and forth. You're not going to get a lot of motion going side to side, so it's only front to back, and it's not very wide, but this is a fantastic board. We also have this type of board, and so this one will allow me to go side to side, but it's wide enough that I can also go front to back as well. So as you've recovered or you have fairly good ankles and knees and you want to get to the next level, this is where you want to start practicing on a wobble board. So this one, as you work through all the ankle exercise, you'll have better ankle flexion, so dorsiflexion, plantar flexion. You're going to wobble back and forth. So I like this board in particular because it will let me go back and forth, but I can also go side to side. So you spend 30 seconds to a minute doing things like this, and if you're not so steady, you can hold on to the chair while you're learning how to do it, but it's an easy exercise that you're going back and forth. If there's a board that has a ball in the center and you're able to get lots of variety in your wobble board motion, that's great because it really demands different aspects of the tendons and ligaments to get stronger while you're having an unstable surface. You could also use a pillow. That would be helpful as well. As you continue to advance, you could practice doing it without vision, right? Again, be careful, but that demands that you have to learn how to balance your body without seeing what's going on. Another level is catching a ball. You could have someone throwing a ball at you, and then that way, as you're practicing back and forth, you're just learning how to be stable on this unstable surface as you're catching a ball, especially if you're a basketball player, tennis player, a sport that demands that type of motion. This is great to build up those ligaments. You can also practice dribbling a ball. If you have someone who is ever so kind, you could have them, kind of push at you, and then you have to resist that too while staying stable on the wobble board. But someone that is nice, that's not going to throw you off and hurt you. So those are some great ways to develop strength and demand different ranges of motion, proprioception in your ankles and your knees, and a great way to continue to develop all the strength that you're capable of doing.